Hi Don, this is Michaela. Thank you so much for taking my call the other day. As mentioned, this is just a quick video going over your website, showing you how to get new leads, as well as go over your overall placement within the internet. With having some background in digital marketing, I can go over three things that Google likes to look for when ranking different websites along that Google platform. The first off is going to be content. Content is huge and so important to Google. So let's have a look at your site here. Well, I can see that you don't have a lot of content beyond these testimonials, and I'm going to go over why content is important. If you do any basic Google search, Wikipedia always shows up as your top search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. Google loves content. So just by looking at some of the competition in your area, the people who are ranking currently on page 1 of Google, I'm going to suggest you get about 1,500 words of good quality content on your homepage alone. With that said, every additional service you offer, whether it be residential, commercial, if it's only carpet cleaning, have a services page and then put anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words on every additional page. The reason this is important is because it's going to allow you to get found for several keywords, as well as be found on multiple different platforms and giving way more opportunities for Google to point people into your direction, okay? Let me take you to this site here. This is called Ahrefs. And then it just shows me a breakdown of how you're doing. I can honestly say I've never seen a DR this high, so kudos and good job. Although I'm kind of confused with only 2 referring domains, how yours is that high unless you just have that much influence. But typically, the more quality referring domains you get, the higher this number is. So whatever you're doing for your backlinks, it is working. However, you're only getting about 3 people coming to your website per month. So your website is not a great place for people to look into your services or to get in contact with you. And you're only ranking currently for 10 keywords. Again, this goes back to that quality content I was talking about. Beyond your business name, you aren't ranking for much else. And so what I suggest is in that good quality content that you get for your site, as well as on the services pages, you get more organic keywords to rank for. So have those keywords within your text, and that will allow you to be found for more keywords, getting more traffic and service to your website. Last thing I'm going to talk about this UR here, which is going to be referring to citations. So if I come over here and do a basic Austin, Texas carpet cleaning search, I get to the GMB. And I'm sure you have a GMB, but these top 3 here are going to get the most business just for visibility only. People do not like to do a search and then search upon search. So they're not going to dig much. Usually whatever is on the top is what gets the most rankings. So how do we get to the top of this rank, right? It's by something called a citation. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, your address, and your phone number show up in some type of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. So by doing that, you get to the top of this and obviously get more business just by being visually in front of people, but this UR goes up. Now, there's a magic number here with these 2 numbers. Google loves these to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. So with your DR here being so high, this UR needs to climb a lot. So you're going to need to add a lot of citations. And why does Google like that? Well, it provides stability. Once you get these as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible and over 30, so this one is obviously well on its way, then it creates a lot of stability, meaning you're not easily bumped out of your position. People don't easily go above you or push you down the list. And so it just creates a lot of stability in Google's eyes for a good quality business. So anyways, I hope this was good information for you. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Give me your thoughts on the video. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them too. But I hope you have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much.